Hello artists, Mrs. Castle here, and we're going to talk about our last colored pencil project or practice skill that is about space. And I'm going to tear a piece of paper in half. You can use a half a sheet or you can use a whole sheet. I'll leave that one up to you this time. Okay, so this, let's see, colored pencil. Number 4, and that's space. And put your name on it. Okay. What we're gonna do is draw a bunch of shapes. It doesn't matter what they are, but make them different sizes randomly all over the place. You can even make some go off of the edge. But let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can make some overlap each other, but like this one, if I finished it, would go like that. But I don't want to see the ones behind very much. Put a bigger one there. And I'm going to put another one there, and I'm going to put a small one and a couple of smallish ones there. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's kind of a lot, but it's okay. And we're just going to pick random colors to color them in. So using pressure and blending. If you have a gray, this would be an excellent color to have on hand for part of what we're going to do. And I'm going to pick an orange. I'll pick a blue. I'll use this green, and we'll use a yellow. I'm just picking some random colors. Okay. All right, so the biggest shapes, we're gonna shade those in or fill those in, like medium pressure to start with, because remember, medium pressure doesn't hurt our fingers. And we're gonna layer up anyway. You can even blend colors for this part, and I'm gonna blend colors for part of what we're doing. I'm gonna use the gray to help make the small ones look far away. So by using size and color and blending the color, we're gonna make the little shapes look far away. Like if you've done the graphite landscape one, that one was about space too. We shaded in lighter areas to make them look far away. We're gonna kind of do the same thing here. Okay, I'm gonna fill this in some more, still using medium pressure, but to make my color nice and bright and intense. The more intense the color, the more it will pop forward. Okay, nice, bright, intense color. I'm gonna do some with my orange first, and I'm going to do light pressure. And that will do some to make them look far away. This one's bigger, so it should be a little closer. So I'm gonna make it a little brighter, but not as bright as this. Okay, I'm gonna use some other colors. one a little bit. I'm gonna make this one a little bit larger. Medium pressure so I don't kill my fingers. Okay, to kind of hide that blue line, I'm gonna blend blue with this and get my nice bright intense color. Since this is kind of big, it's almost as close as that one. So we're gonna look for some intense color. Okay, let's see. Let's do some farther away ones. So this is a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna use lighter pressure. Really light. And this one's somewhat light, about the same as that one, I guess. Okay, so let's do some blue. This is a little bit smaller than this, so I'm gonna go a little bit lighter. But I'm gonna start with light pressure, or medium pressure, so I don't kill my fingers. Okay, not quite as bright as that one. I'm gonna add a little more because I want it a little bit more intense than that. The orange is gonna look more intense than the blue because it's a warmer color, but we're gonna fix that in a little bit. So let's do some farther away. Do some yellow shapes. This one's gonna be kind of light. This one's gonna be about the same as that one, even though there's a blue outline around it. Let's do this one. Yellow is a very intense color anyway, so it's going to be really easy to get to overdo it. Okay, I think I want one more color. Let's use the aqua green. This one's going to be a little bit lighter. small one there and a smaller one behind that one. So this is very tiny, so I'm going to use really light pressure. And this one will be between this one and this one. Okay, now here's where our gray pencil comes in. On the smaller ones, I'm going to blend some gray with it. I'm going to do some gray with this, with ones this size. That's close to that size. So I'm going to add some gray to this. Some gray to this. Some gray to this one. More gray to these tiny ones. A medium amount to that one. Okay, I'm gonna add a tiny bit of gray to this one. Maybe a tiny bit of gray to the yellow. Tiny amount of gray. Okay, so that should really add to the illusion of space. Like the duller colors, oops, I forgot one. This one right there. The duller colors should really look very far away in combination with the size, and the brightness should make other ones pop a little bit forward. So, do a decent number of shapes. You don't have to do circles. I was just feeling circles right then. But anyway, have fun. Take your picture, upload it to Canvas in one of the colored pencil assignments, and then you're done with this one. Can't wait to see what you do. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.